Hello everyone, my name is Kushal and today we are going to discuss the higher order function. So what is higher order function? The function which takes another function as a parameter is nothing but a higher order function. And inside higher order function we just define three functions, that is map function, reduce function and a filter function. So let's discuss one by one. So starting with our map function. So what is map function? The map function execute a specified function for each atom in a iterable, and this atom we send the function as a parameter. So for example, if we write a list L is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5, and if I want to write suppose a map function, then I just write here map of lambda by using lambda keyword and specify the variable name inside it, and I want the suppose square of all the number, so I just use power symbol here and specify the list name. So what I did here, within the map function I use another function and it will execute a specified this function for each atom in the iterable, that is our list, and that list is sent to a function as a parameter. So the syntax of this map function is just we use the keyword lambda of anonymous function, then we just write variable name, and then after colon we just specify the condition, and at last we have to specify the name of the list. So I just write here map function and I run it, so it gives me the output of square of all the elements which are present in the list. And similarly, now we will take the filter method. So what is filter method? The filter method filters the given sequence, and with the help of function that test each element in the sequence to be true or not. So for example, here also I define a list 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6 comma 7 comma 8 comma 9 comma 10, and now here I just want the even number from the list. Then I just specify the list because it gives me the output of Python object, so that's why I specify here list. Then I just use filter method, and inside that I just write the lambda keyword, and again the syntax is same, that we have to just specify the variable name, then write the condition of what I want. Suppose I want an even number, so I just use x module to is equal to 0 and specify the list name. So what filter method does here, it just filters all the sequence given sequence with the help of the function and test whether the sequence is true or not, means whether it satisfies this condition or not. So I just print here and it will give me the only even number of the list. So this is all about the filter method. Now let's discuss the reduce function. So what is reduce function? The reduce function is used to apply a particular function pass in its argument to all of the list element mentioned in the sequence. So this function is generally used in function module. So to use reduce function, we just have to import first functule modules. So this is a functools module. After that, suppose here I want the sum of two number. So I just here create one list. Here L is equal to 1 comma 3 comma 5 comma 6 comma 2. So I just need a sum of this all the number from the list. So I just write here print, and inside the functool module functools dot reduce, I just write the lambda a comma b because I have to sum the number inside the list, and then I just add it, write the condition, and specify the list name. So, and after that I just run it. It gives me the outputs of single numbers. If we add 1 plus 3 4, 4 plus 5 9, 9 plus 6 15, 15 plus 2 17, it gives me a right output, that is 17. So what reduce function do here is, the reduce function is we apply for particular function here, that is this this condition what we write, what the function we write, or we talk about in a definition language, that the function reduce is used to apply a particular function which is passed inside the argument to all the list element mentioned in the sequence. So this is all about a reduce function. Now you understand the map function, you understand the filter method, and you understand the reduce function also. Now let's talk about our next function, that is anonymous function. So I just specify the name of anonymous function here, and let's discuss it also. So what is anonymous function? What anonymous function actually define? So anonymous function is nothing but the function without any name is nothing but an anonymous function. And we use anonymous function in higher order function also. I will just show you. So this is a higher order function, and we use here anonymous function as a lambda, because anonymous function we denote by the keyword lambda only. So if we use the lambda keyword, it means it is a nothing but an anonymous function only. And how we call to an anonymous function, that if suppose anonymous function should be assigned to any variable, then call that variable with the number of positional argument inside. Suppose I want to add two numbers, no, suppose I want to multiply two number by using anonymous function. So how can I just write a is equal to, with the use of lambda keyword, lambda I just specify the two number, suppose n1 first number and n2 second number, and write the condition, that is n1 plus n2. And if I print the n1, print the anonymous function, and just write the two parameters here, suppose 58 comma 69, and I run it, then it will give me the output as 127. So what it does, anonymous function, that it just take two variable inside it and apply a condition, and just I will call that function, that is print of a, and provide the two parameter n1 n2 and run it. So this function has no name. I just specify the name of the function by using the keyword lambda, and that is nothing but it shows that it is a anonymous function. So I hope that you will understand all the functions in Python. Thanks for watching.